This side obviously is chef kiss, and then this side, she needs a little bit of work. So you guys, for today's video, I have a very interesting topic and something I've been through honestly in the last couple of months, but I just figured out, how to fix it, is matching my face to my body. And a lot of times you can have the perfect foundation shade, but once you go ahead and highlight and bake and use your powders, it looks just like this, okay? Y'all can see my face right now. I don't have any bronzer on, but y'all can see how much lighter it is than my body. My body's given bronzy and all of that, and my face just looks really dull. And I feel like a lot of us kind of struggle with this in the summertime, especially because our foundations don't match and we're just getting darker. So this video is going to help a lot of people in the summertime, the wintertime, the fall time. It doesn't matter what time of the year. It's going to help you because I'm going to show you guys how to use your bronzer properly, but then also place it in the correct places to bring everything together. Okay, so if you guys are interested, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, and let's get into the video. So what I do want to mention first is the NARS bronzer. This is what I use for myself, and you don't have to use this one. There's drugstore out there, there's different brands out there, but this one I find in the shade Laguna number 8 to really help my face match my body. I feel like the undertones in here, it has a little bit of red, browns, all of that, but this color just works for me. And then also you want to make sure that you have a very fluffy brush. A lot of people that I see, they use like the square ones that really chisel your face, or like a very dense brush. It's not going to help for this. You want to create the illusion of just like everything looking blended, and a fluffy brush just helps with that. So this is the large powder brush from LA Colors, but if you find something like this from ELF or any other brand, it should work. So what you're going to do is just take some of this. I'm going to turn my face so y'all can see this in action. Now, if you guys have watched my old videos, y'all know I used to bring my foundation down to my neck, but I don't do that anymore. I find with this trick, it really helps everything just, blend seamlessly. So we're going to take some bronzer on here, and we're just going to hit the cheek like normal. So I just take this and just blend it on the cheek area. And you want to make sure you're bringing the bronzer up and not down. So we're just going to take this and just blend into the cheeks just like normal, you guys, okay? And just from doing this, y'all can already see the difference between both sides. This looks more like my body, and this looks like, I don't even know, just nothing. But y'all can see how much more chiseled, how much more bronzy that looks. And I know we all start off here, so that's the first step. Second step is taking this and also bronzing on your forehead, just like we normally do. And I go ahead and just take some of that up there and kind of bring it down a little bit. Okay, perfect. And y'all can really see the difference between the other side. It just looks a lot better already. So now this is what I also started doing. I do take some of the bronzer and I bring it underneath my chin as well. This just really helps because like sometimes I know people like to like cut their cheeks with some powder, but when it's too light down here, it just kind of looks off with the body. So I just take this and just chisel it underneath the jawline like so. Y'all see how that's already coming together? I'm telling you, like, it is so good. So then I want to show you guys something else that I do. So a lot of people do cut, their bronzer just to make it a little bit more sharp. So we're going to do that as well, so I can show you guys how to fix it if it's too light afterwards. So we're going to cut the cheek area. And I don't normally do this, to be honest with y'all, but I'm just going to do it for this video. And we're going to blend it out. All right. So when you do that, sometimes it might look a little bit too light. So then what I do is I just take the brush. I don't add any more product to it. I just take some leftover bronzer and just swirl it on the chin area. And it still keeps the highlight, but it also makes it blend into your skin a little bit more. And I actually learned this from Uche from one of her videos. I was like, girl, you just solved my issue for years. So y'all can see that. Okay, this side is matching my body a lot more by placing it on the jaw, blending it right here, putting it on the cheek area, and then also placing it on the forehead. So let's compare both sides. This side obviously is chef kiss, and then this side, she needs a little bit of work. So let's just do the same thing again. I'm just gonna take this and place it on my cheek like we normally do. And then we're gonna bring this on the jaw as well, like below, and just blend that in. And then also on the forehead. And just like that, y'all, the face matches the body, okay? I know it seems so simple, but if you go ahead and try it out, I'm telling you, your makeup is gonna look a lot better. Now keep in mind, make sure you're not using too light of a concealer, too light of a foundation, but if you do it correctly and you still notice that your face looks a little bit light, try this out and let me know your thoughts down below. But I'm gonna finish up the rest of my face and I'll be back so y'all can see like the complete look for today. So I went ahead and completed my face. I'm really feeling today's look, the slick, you know, pony, you know what I'm saying? I just love it so much. But basically I wanted to go ahead and just share my tips with you guys just because it's been helping me a lot, especially in this summer heat, y'all. Like my foundations are not matching, but with the right placements, the right bronzer, all of that, everything just looks a little bit better, okay, in my opinion. So if you do try it out, let me know down below. I love you guys like always, and make sure y'all hit that like and subscribe button on the way out, and I'll see you guys in my next video.